chemistry with environmental and sustainable chemistry degree program is a chemistry degree program, but with emphasis on environmental and sustainability aspects. In environmental section of this program, students will study about subjects related to pollution, remediation of different type of pollutant. And in sustainability section of this program, students will study subjects about sustainable energy, energy storage, problem related to fossil fuels and climate change.
So I came to UCD in order to study environmental science. I've always had a passion for the environment and I've always really enjoyed science. And the common entry first year in UCD allowed me to take both biology and chemistry subjects in first year, and allowed me to make a more informed decision about which I preferred.
UCD is the only university in Ireland which offers this degree program. And this program has been successful for 10 years now, and many students have been graduated and find a job in industry. Also, we are doing cutting research on sustainability and environmental science in this school.
Being a student in this course in UCD has allowed me to develop my skills in lots of different ways. It has allowed me to develop my lab skills, my analytical thinking, my critical thinking, and I've also had the opportunity to do an internship for 3 months with the Environmental Protection Agency. I got to work in a team on environmental enforcement.
So during the first 3 years, the subject will be delivered via lectures, tutorials, and laboratory sessions, and the final year would be focused on research project. The research project in this course is a really interesting part of this course because the students can have opportunity to go to the lab and try to learn different aspects of this subject in practice.
My favorite thing about doing the labs is the independence. So in first year, there's a lot of help and support in the labs, and then as you get through the years, there's still tutors there to guide you, but they facilitate you to do a bit of research on your own and to perform the techniques on your own. So for example, in my final year project, I've been looking at nitrates in water, so I found a technique to determine the nitrate concentration in water, and we got to use that technique in the lab.
I would recommend the students that are really interested about sustainability and environmental issues to take this course.
I would advise anyone who's considering doing this course in UCD to take as broad first year classes as possible. I found when I took broader classes in first year, it gave me a really holistic understanding of science, and I could kind of draw back on those ideas as I progressed through the years. It also helps you to choose what you're actually interested in, because science in university can look very, very different to science in secondary school. There's a lot less of the kind of rote learning. There's a lot more focus on the understanding and the applications. So I think that by taking those classes in first year, and by really just giving yourself a chance to explore lots of different options, you can find out what you're truly passionate about.